Welcome to Tax Yo-Yo ProSoft Academy, where we empower future tax professionals. Our mission is to equip you with the essential knowledge and skills needed to excel in the dynamic field of tax preparation.
Our comprehensive training program is designed to help you gain confidence and certification. Whether you're starting a new career or enhancing your skills, we provide the tools necessary for success in tax preparation. Learn from seasoned tax professionals with years of industry experience. Our expert-led training ensures you receive practical, real-world insights, preparing you to thrive in the competitive tax industry.
Master the industry-leading Tax Jojo ProSoft software, specifically designed for tax preparers. Our hands-on software training equips you with the technical expertise needed to efficiently manage tax-related tasks. Our flexible learning options cater to your schedule, whether you're pursuing part-time or full-time career development. Online courses allow you to learn at your own pace, fitting seamlessly into your lifestyle. We offer ongoing support and guidance even after certification. Our commitment to your success means providing resources and mentorship to help you grow your tax preparation career or business. Prepare for certification with our comprehensive training, ensuring you're ready to earn credentials from Tax Yo-Yo Academy. We'll assist you in applying for your PTIN and EFIN, enabling you to become a certified tax preparer. Choose Tax Jojo ProSoft Academy for state-of-the-art software and practical training. Our trainees are equipped to offer valuable services year-round, ready to succeed in the ever-evolving world of tax preparation. Are you an aspiring tax professional or already a pro looking to grow your tax business? You're in the right place. Tax Jojo ProSoft Academy offers the tools, training done for you, marketing and support you need to succeed. Click below to see if you qualify and take the first step toward a thriving and rewarding tax season ever.